Hi there. I'm Paul from Brooklands TV, and you are?
Paul. I'm Mark from Jim Stokes Workshops Limited.
What a beautiful Alfa.
Thank you very much.
Is it a 158, is it?
It's an Alfetta 158.
158.
1948.
Wow.
It's 400 straight 8, 425 brake horsepower. Runs on methanol.
Does it really?
Yeah.
Oh, I bet it sounds wonderful.
It does. You will hear it later today when we start it up.
Excellent.
So,
Excellent. So tell us a little bit about the car itself. Has it got any history, or was it put together at a later date?
It's a recreation. So all the parts were found in Italy. So original parts found in Italy. So we rebuilt the vehicle as a recreation. And it's the original F1 car from the period of 1948.
How did you go about getting like blueprints or design work? Was it ever captured at the time of its creation?
It was captured at the time. So Jim, who owns Jim Stokes Workshops, got a call to say we've found these parts, went out to Italy, found the parts, brought them back to the UK, and then yes, we built it from design. So
yeah. My goodness. And what about the engine itself? Was that as part of what you were able to find, or did you have to get that recreated?
No, part of that was what we found as well. So just rebuilt the engine as well. So
do you do much of the work yourselves?
We do it all. We do everything. So from ground up. So we've got laser welding, machine shops, engine shop, fabrication. So we do the whole lot from ground up.
And from ground up, and from finding it to being where we are today.
Yes.
How long did that take?
That took quite a few years. I don't know exactly how many years it took, but it took quite a few years to build it into the state it is now. So, and it will be running at the revival as well. So it's being raced at revival this year.
Oh, fantastic! And I bet there's people queuing up to drive it, aren't there?
Yeah, well there are, but there's only one driver, and that's the owner. So,
it is.
Yes, a gentleman from America that owns it. He comes up, flies over, drives it around the revival, and then we look after it.
Right, and so that's part of the pleasure you have doing this job, I guess, is just...
It's an absolute pleasure
being a curator for this type of car.
Absolutely, yeah. It's an absolute pleasure and our privilege to look after such a beautiful machine.
And from a point of view of running gear, like tyres, brakes, they're all accessible relatively easily?
They are. It's not easiest in the world, but we've just rebuilt the engine of the Sunbeam number 21.
Yeah.
And we've just got tyres for that as well. So there's suppliers out there. They're not cheap, but we can get hold of them, yeah.
Absolutely wonderful. Look, thank you first of all, thank you very much for bringing the car.
Thanks for inviting us.
It's just that we're really looking forward to hearing it running. And,
it's going to be an incredible weekend, isn't it? It
certainly is.
All these cars together at one time is something quite special.
Some punchy numbers have been shared with it. 125 Grand Prix or F1 cars. 8,000 visitors lined up for tomorrow.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, and tonight there's about 700 F1 guests that are coming to a dining event and a celebration.
Yeah, I'm involved in that tonight.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Well, you might see us again.
Yes, good.
Have a lovely time this evening.
Paul. Nice
Thank you.